Okay, now we're going to take a look at 8.3.3 classwork circle applications number 4. In this one, the cookie cutter. A cookie baker has an automatic mixer that turns out a sheet of dough in the shape of a square that is 40 inches wide. His cookie cutter cuts 10-inch diameter circular cookies as shown at right. The supervisor complained that too much dough was being wasted and ordered the baker to make more circular cookies of the remaining dough left. How many total cookies, including the ones that were made from the leftovers, could the baker bake? So the first question we're going to answer is how much dough would be wasted if we were to go ahead and do this, make these cookies. Well, you're only seeing a partial picture of what we have right here. Really, it looks like a square. And since this is 40 and this is 40, if the diameter of my cookies is 10, that means that 4 cookies will fit across this way and 4 cookies will fit across this way. So that means that there's going to be a total of 16 cookies that can be made. So to figure out how much dough will be wasted, I need to first find the area of the rectangle. Well, the area of the rectangle is just going to be 40 times 40, which will be 1600. Then I need to find the area of the circles. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the area of one circle and then multiply that by 16 because there's going to be 16 cookies that can be made from that sheet. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. Since the diameter of the cookie is 10, that means that the radius is going to equal 5, which is half of that. So the area of one cookie is going to be pi times 5 squared. When you put that in your calculator, you end up with 78.5398. And I'm just going to round 4 decimal places until I get to the very end. That's going to be the area of one cookie. Since there's 16 cookies, I need to multiply this by 16. And when I do that, that's going to give me 125.6371. So that's the amount, or that's the area that the cookies will make up. So I need to do a little subtraction. I'm going to take the amount of dough that's in the square, 1600, subtract the amount of dough from the cookies, and when we do that, we're going to get an answer of 343.36. And that's how much dough is left over. Now, to figure out the total number of cookies I can make, I know I can make 16 cookies from the original part, but with this leftover dough, I can still make some more cookies. So if I take the total amount of leftover dough and divide that by the amount that each cookie takes to make, that's going to give me 4.3664. So that means I'll have enough dough left over to make just over 4 cookies. But we don't make parts of cookies, so really I'm just going to take 4. So I had 16 to start with, and then 4 more. So that's going to give me a total of 20 cookies.